Hello there. Good news for freelancers who work on background removal. Adobe has launched a totally free way online to get background removed from an image with Adobe Graphics Power. So, let's discover. On Google, search for Adobe Background Remover. Go to Free Image Background Remover in Adobe Source. Click on Upload your photo. I have 4 photos. One by one I am gonna remove backgrounds. Dragging this to there. And within a second, the background is removed perfectly. You can download it here. Account is needed once to download. Here you can see the finishing done by Adobe. The next one. Superb. Third one. Done. Finally, the fourth one. Finished. So, as you could see, the results are just awesome. This way you can simply get your background removed from any image and download them as PNG. Hope you found this video tutorial useful. Please be with us and also subscribe to inspire us. Goodbye.